This video is dedicated to help you get rid of the adware type application that is called ArchivesOriginal. ArchivesOriginal is the name of the new adware that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It also attacks Safari browsers primarily, and this adware specifically targets Mac computers. The adware is often spread through integration with many free applications. In many cases, people download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Often this adware may also be presented as some fake software or browser update alert. Anyway, if you see this adware called ArchivesOriginal, it is time to get rid of it. Check your Finder, go to your applications. Once you find this ArchivesOriginal, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Finally, we recommend that you thoroughly research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and start researching your device in order to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.